Apple's highly anticipated foldable iPhone is reportedly set to launch in the second half of 2026, likely alongside the iPhone 18 series. This device is expected to adopt a book-style folding design, featuring a 7.8-inch internal display when unfolded and a 5.5-inch external cover screen. The device is said to be incredibly slim, with a thickness between 4.5 and 4.8 millimeters when open. Apple is rumored to be using a liquid metal hinge to reduce the crease commonly seen in foldable displays and to enhance the overall durability of the mechanism. Powering the device will likely be a 5,000 mAh battery configured in a 3D stacked dual-cell format to maintain its slim profile while providing extended battery life. In terms of cameras, the foldable iPhone is expected to sport a dual-lens system, including a main and ultra-wide sensor, with possible use of meta-lens technology for improved low-light photography. Interestingly, the device may forego Face ID due to space constraints and instead use Touch ID integrated into the side button. Speculation also suggests the phone will run on a next-generation Apple Silicon chip, providing top-tier performance and energy efficiency. The price is expected to start above $2,000, making it the most expensive iPhone Apple has ever released. Despite the high cost, the foldable iPhone aims to deliver a premium experience that blends cutting-edge hardware with seamless software integration across the Apple ecosystem.